Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to increase the keyboard size on the Redmi A5. Now to do that, just open the keyboard on your smartphone. From here, just tap on this 4 square icon at the top left of your keyboard. From here, just tap on resize. Now from here, you can increase or decrease the size of your keyboard of your smartphone. Now once you change the size of your keyboard, just tap on done and it will change the size of your keyboard. Just like that. And this is how you can increase the size of your keyboard on the Redmi A5. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.